Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1247 and today's lecture is ring, that is fused heterocyclic ring system where more than one rings or maybe two rings or three rings are fused, and these rings sometimes one ring may be carbocyclic or other ring may be heterocyclic, like in quinoline. In quinoline, one ring is benzene and other ring is pyridine, and that's why this is also called alpha beta benzo pyridine. Like that, we have pyrone heterocyclic ring system where one 5-member, other one is 6-member is fused. Then the other one is, that is furane heterocyclic condensed ring system, indigo, like that. So here these structures are given here. This is quinoline, where this one is benzene ring and this one is pyridine ring. So these two, they are fused together to give the condensed heterocyclic ring system, and it is also called benzo alpha beta pyridine. And this quinoline is a very important constituent of alkaloid, and it is also widely used in anti-malarial drug. The second one is isoquinoline. The only difference is the position of nitrogen in heterocyclic ring. And the third one is, that is called benzopyrone. In the case of benzopyrone, it is fused. This benzene ring is fused with one heterocyclic 6-member ring. So that is called benzopyrone, and here it is benzofurane, means benzene ring is fused with one 5-member heterocyclic containing oxygen. That's why it is called benzofurane. The other one is indole. In the case of indole is also very important compound. It is one of the dye. Sometimes it is isolated from plant sources. And in the case of indole, the benzene ring is fused with pyrrole ring, that is 5-member ring, that is called indole. And carbazole. Carbazole means two of the benzene rings. Here it is the fusion of two rings with one 5-member heterocyclic, and that is called carbazole. And then in the case of purine, here there are 4 heteroatoms. 2 heteroatoms in benzene ring, that is shown here, and the other one where in 5-member there are 2 nitrogen atoms. So it is called purine. And pyridine. Pyridine means both are 6-member, but they are containing 2 nitrogen, means total 4 nitrogen atoms. So how this ring system they are fused, and this condensed or fused ring system of heterocyclic compounds, they are very important. They play a very important role in the drug industries, pharmaceutical companies, pesticides, and also they are part of our genetic material also. So these the fused heterocyclic ring system are very important. So here I have taken quinoline, which is very important from medicinal point of view. And in quinoline, as I have already told you, that one benzene ring is fused with one pyridine ring, and that's why it is having the property of benzene as well as pyridine. And since pyridine is having one nitrogen and that nitrogen is having one pair of electron, that's why it is basic in nature. It has ability to share one pair of electron which is easily available. That's why it is having basic character. So number one, quinoline. In quinoline, one benzene ring is fused with one pyridine ring at alpha and beta position. That's why it is also called alpha beta benzopyridine. The other name is alpha beta benzopyridine because at alpha beta position benzene is condensed with pyridine, and it occurs in coal tar and bone oil. This quinoline is also in bone marrow, and that is called bone oil, and it is the part of our we can say biological system also, and it is also present in anti-malarial drug, that is the constitution of alkaloid, that is plant product. And number two, it is colorless liquid. Boiling point is 238 degrees Celsius, and less soluble in water but highly soluble in organic solvents like alcohol, ethyl acetate, chloroform, etc. It has unpleasant smell, not unpleasant, but if suppose you are exposed for some more time, you may get nausea or you will be very much uncomfortable. And not only that, this pyridine nucleus is also harmful. It is volatile. So if you are inhaling for long duration of time, it may even disturb, because it is having good capacity as a solvent. So your lot of organic materials, some biological enzymes and some hormones will be soluble, and you may lose because it is having big impact on your prostate gland will be dilated and will be reduced. So the male may lose or may reduce the capacity of potency. Male capacity, masculinity, and they will be towards potency. So once you are handling either pyridine or quinoline, you have to be very careful. And then it has unpleasant smell, and it is volatile in steam. And number three, chemically it combines with the properties of benzene and pyridine. It is a tertiary monoacid. It is a tertiary monoacid base. It forms a stable salt with acid. It can be reduced to 1,2,3,4 tetrahydroquinoline, and on oxidation with potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, it gives quinolic acid. It is mainly used in anti-malarial drug and in pharmaceutical industries. So here I have given the synthesis of quinoline, and it is by name reaction. That is Scrop synthesis is very well known, common preparation of this quinoline, where pyridine nucleus is condensed with aromatic ring, and it is done in presence of nitrobenzene, glycerol, concentrated sulfuric acid, FeSO4 and aniline. So here the Scrope synthesis. This synthesis is done by heating a mixture of aniline. Here it is given nitrobenzene, glycerol, concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid will act as a dehydrating agent because concentrated sulfuric acid is strong dehydrating agent, and ferrous sulfate, that is FeSO4. It is believed that glycerol undergoes acid catalyzed dehydrogenation, and not that is dehydrogenation, but dehydration means removal of water. Aniline undergoes nucleophilic addition, and finally aromatizes will take place, means it will be converted into aromatic nucleus, and where pyridine ring is converted into quinoline finally. So here it is aniline, acrolein, and then with this concentrated sulfuric acid, dehydration will take place and it will be cyclized, aromatization will take place, and then in presence of nitrobenzene, finally it is condensed in the form of quinoline, where one ring is benzene and other ring is pyridine. So with this I will stop here. That is condensed ring system, and in the next lecture I will discuss another compound, that is condensed ring system, a heterocyclic compound, that is indigo-butene. They are very good natural dyes and they are widely used as a coloring agent. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.